What happens when Johnny makes the entire court laugh? Hi everyone, welcome to Viral Things. Today, we compiled the funniest moments of the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial. You won't believe what we gathered for you in this one. I promise it'll be insanely funny. Just watch and see. Please sit back and enjoy, and smash that like and subscribe button so we can make more videos like this in the future. This video is meant for entertainment and satire purposes only.
Mental condition.
It doesn't, it's still hearsay, Your Honor.
Kind of wrestled me down to the floor. I mean, it felt to me like I didn't even have a fair shot because I wasn't facing him or looking at him. I was walking away from him. Or else, you know, I would have at this point even I would have tried to defend myself more, but I didn't. I kind of felt like it didn't see it coming, and he just wrestled me down to the ground. And I remember.
Let's pull up Exhibit 500, please.
500?
500. Defense Exhibit 500.
Defense Exhibit 500.
Yes, I'd like to see who I lied to.
Whiskey in the mornings, too, right?
Isn't happy hour anytime?
You can't say that you carried cocaine in that box?
No, but it looks like it would fit some cocaine. I once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would stop talking so much.
Put his knee on my back. It's kind of like kneeling on my back. And I just had this like struggle with him. And I look at him and he's still got his glasses on. I just remember looking at him and thinking that was so... He just looked like he hadn't been through anything, you know, he still had his glasses on, sunglasses. On the floor, just, more than anything, I was heartbroken.
Did I read that right?
You did.
Did I read that correctly?
You did.
Okay. Did I read that right?
Yes, you did.
Did I read that right?
You continue to read them right, yes.
He brought my dad out to London with my best friends, and my dad told me, you know, Johnny has asked me permission for your hand in marriage. And I felt like the luckiest woman in the world. He said he wanted to spend every day. He promised me that every day when I woke up, that I would wake up and he would make me smile at least once. And that would be his goal. And, you know, I looked into his eyes and I saw my future, hope, you know, like...
And right after you cut your finger off, right after, I won't give you anything to argue with me yet. Right after you sustained an injury to your finger, right after you sustained an injury to your finger.
With my girlfriends there to support me, as per usual.
So Michelle, can you pull up 272, please? And after you both return to LA.
We're going to fast forward in time a little bit, Mr. Depp.
Yes, I can feel it.
I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury. I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury.
Sorry, could you read that again?
Objection calls for speculation and hearsay.
I tried to say that it was fine.
Objection, hearsay.
I found out that he was in a hotel room with Paul
Objection,
Bettany.
hearsay. Objection, hearsay. Objection, leading.
And your kid's in the car on the street. You
Objection,
need to move
hearsay. That calls for hearsay, Your Honor.
When he finished filming, the plan was to do
Objection,
the
Your
full
Honor,
detox.
hearsay. Objection, form, compound.
There come a time that you did move in with him.
Objection, leading. Your Honor, I'm going to object on hearsay.
my co-star.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. Objection, hearsay. Her communications are hearsay.
Yes.
Objection, form, lack of foundation.
I was in such shock and
Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive. Objection, form, compound.
I'll allow.
But you texted Paul Bettany, correct?
Again.
Okay. So the Boston flight, you were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there? Ended up with a very ugly situation with Amber. So
Mr.
I
Depp,
doubled
with
up
respect,
the,
trying to respect the court's time and the jury's time, that was not my question. My question was
I
simply,
understand. When
you
you
would
take 5
agree,
minutes to look for a
you would agree,
document.
you would agree that on.
Bless you.
You poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint.
Yeah.
Were you still living in penthouse 2 of the Eastern Columbia building on May 21st, 2016? Do you recall what you were doing that evening?
Yes.
What were you doing?
I was out, it was evening time, I'm out in the neighborhood, and I'm on my way home. I get a phone call from my friend who wants to know if I want to go out and eat. I said I just ate. I'm 5 minutes away from the Eastern Columbia building, home. I go across the street, get something to eat, bring it up, or take out, and we'll go upstairs to my joint and we'll eat. And yeah,